artists. Today, we're drawing a beautiful heart-shaped padlock. A heart-shaped lock represents love, trust, and special memories. Some people even place locks on bridges as a symbol of love and friendship. Are you ready? Let's go! For even more creative fun, be sure to check out our coloring books on Amazon. By searching for Pinky Art, you can locate it. Together, let's enjoy some fun drawing. Great! Our heart-shaped padlock looks wonderful. Now, let's bring it to life with color. Let's bring this heart-shaped padlock to life with your favorite crayons or markers. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Well done! Our heart-shaped padlock drawing looks beautiful. If you love coloring, check out my Pinky Art coloring books on Amazon. I really appreciate you drawing with me today. Until next time.